Hi everyone, in today's video I am doing another stupid thing with these fans. Actually I have the other one bigger here, as you can see. Probably this video will be a little bit hard for me to film, but I think it's a good thing to do now for I don't have any other ideas. So basically I have mounted this socket and I have this transformer here. You probably know the backstory from these transformers, and I have this other one transformer here. Now I have just this one mounted, and I want to see what it can do on these fans at 60 hertz, and after that I will try it on 50 hertz. So yeah, I'm curious if this single transformer can power them all, and if my amp can handle this. But first thing, I need to prepare the entire thing here. Probably I should be using the ultra wide camera while I'm doing this, for I have a bigger setup here. But yeah, you probably see, you actually see this fan is if it can spin. I have the other one fan. I will put it here for why not, and I have this sadly fucked fan here. Yeah, I can plug them into this socket, and you should see everything here. Firstly, I want to measure the voltage here. Okay, I really need to do something to show you these values. Okay, I will put this multimeter here, and okay, I have this voltage. Let me see. Okay, actually at this volume it increases the power. So let me try to plug this small fan from my right. I don't have any wall plug for this, and I don't want to waste my time finding one. Oh my gosh, the voltage drop is insane. Let me see if I will reduce the volume. No, same shit. Actually no, just on the maximum volume. Oh my gosh, I love this buzzing. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I love this buzzing. And I'm sure I can hear my transformer coil starting making some noise. But yeah, I want to measure the amps. Why don't work now? It disconnected from somewhere? Why it don't work? Oh yeah, it disconnected. And now from here. Okay, it makes some sparks. Yeah, in a normal usage this fan takes around 40 milliamps. Oh no, I was on DC. Yeah, that's why. At startup it goes around 1 amp, and now it takes much less. Okay, but when now it indicates the same amount of power. When I'm marching it here, it goes to a higher volume. on a higher amps. Sorry. Okay, I can clearly hear this one from here. Have a more pleasuring noise and a higher consume. Power consumption is more high actually. It draws around 200 milliamps. And from my audio amplifier I draw around 5 amps, and let me see, if I plug this from the front I will draw 5 amps, and if I will unplug this big amp from here I draw around 3.5 amps, and from the transformer I draw 160 milliamps, and if I'm plugging this I'm drawing the same 200 milliamps. For is a voltage drop here. So this one from here is unplugged, and I want to show you the voltage drop on this sheet if I can somehow. Okay, that's a small voltage, as you can see. Okay, now I have some voltage. I love the sound and how it powers on. Just look at it. But I'm not sure why this takes less power. This takes much more. Probably this is a little bit locked. So the coil from the transformer is not hot, but I want to wire the other one in parallel with it, so I'll be right back. Okay, I wired them both, and now the power, the voltage drop should be lower. Yeah, as I said, should be. Let's see if this can handle all the fans. No, it can't. But I'm not sure if the transformers work properly. But it's kinda the same result here. So yeah, it looks like they work. Just let me try. Yep, they are working. Yeah, probably. Yeah, they are working for. There is higher power coming from them on this socket. So yeah, the thing is now I want to wire both of them in series to see what will happen, and I will don't try, as I said before, I'm sorry, but I will don't try at different frequencies where the result is a lower voltage. And now I need to wire this transformer in series, if I can remember how I did the first time. Yeah, it works. Great, I have around 500 volts now. Actually, I want to overvolt them with all my transformers, but not in this video. If you want to see that, just let me know in the comments section. And now let's see what will happen. It just worked harder. Yeah, but the voltage drop is insane. And the arching is insane. just hear this buzzing. Okay, now I have a chance to make them all work. Oh no. Why is the bigger one spinning without? Yeah, probably from the wind here. Yeah. For this one pushes. I have 500 volts. Okay, this is kinda impressive. Yeah, I want to get a higher voltage now if I can. But that will means less amps. So let's plug final boss. Okay, still have some voltage. Okay, now I have clearly 500 volts and let's plug it on. Oh my gosh, I can hear the frequency on this one. But just look at the voltage, how it's increased when this big fan starts spinning faster. Okay, probably that's the limit. But I'm curious to see what will happen if I will leave this to work at this high voltage. I'm not sure why, but if I will leave it like this, it just... Oh my gosh, it's spinning the other one. It can spin this one? Yeah, it can. Yeah, it probably now spins more quickly than it should for it have a oh my gosh, on the back of it says 50 Hertz, 20 watts. Probably I will blow it up if I will use in this way. But who cares? Okay, now I want to see if this shit will work. Probably not. Yeah, I can't. I can arch it in socket. Okay, now let's increase. Just let's increase the voltage. Okay, I have over 600 volts. I'm not sure if my amp can handle that, but I'm curious to see what happens if I will plug this fan. Okay, it immediately starts spinning. But yeah, this small transformer here says the word for it can't handle this load. Yeah, as I said, it will turn off. It just can't. Okay, so probably I should be using just one of these, and if you want to see that, I will overvolt these fans with the other setup with these transformers. For it's clearly for me, my amp can't handle them all in this way, but it's nice to see this, and it's really nice to see how this shit works immediately. And I'm sure I can burn something if I will use normal and low voltage appliances on this. I'm sure I will burn them. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and see you next time with other sheets.